In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain to Payhip. This is a great way to personalize your store and ensure that your customers are greeted with a unique and professional web address that aligns with your brand. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Payhip homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on the Store option. This option is typically easy to find on your dashboard and is your gateway to managing all aspects of your online store, including your domain settings. After clicking on Store, look for the option labeled Domains. This section is where you'll manage any domain-related settings. It's crucial to have your domain settings easily accessible, as this is where you'll make the necessary changes to connect your domain to Payhip. Now, within the Domain section, you'll see an option that says Connect Existing Domain. Click on this option. It's important to note that this is the step where you'll actually start the process of linking your personal domain to your Payhip store, so make sure you're ready to proceed. Once you've clicked on Connect Existing Domain, you'll be prompted to add your domain. It's essential to ensure that you have already purchased your domain from a domain registrar before this step. If you haven't yet, you'll need to do that first. When adding your domain, carefully enter the full domain name that you wish to connect to Payhip. Double-check your spelling here to avoid any errors that could lead to connectivity issues. After entering your domain, follow any additional prompts that Payhip provides to finalize the connection. This may involve adjusting settings with your domain registrar to point your domain to Payhip servers. Typically, this is done by updating your DNS settings, which might sound technical, but Payhip usually provides detailed instructions to guide you through the process. If you run into any issues, many domain registrars offer customer support to assist with DNS changes. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your domain to your Payhip store. This not only gives your store a professional edge, but also helps in building brand credibility and trust with your customers. Remember, if you have any questions or run into any problems, Payhip support resources are always a great place to find help. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on your newly personalized Payhip store.